What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix this site can't be reached issues on your Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step one by one. So the first one is all about we just need to go over here, search for the internet options over here, and you have to click on this one. And right now from here what we need to do is we just need to go over here, click on the connections, and there is an option called LAN settings. As you can see, just click on this one. And right now as you can see, automatic configurations, under this there is an option called automatically detect settings. So make sure that you have to put a check on this box, and once afterwards just go for OK, and afterwards you have to check with this. This is what you have to do. Afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, we just need to go over here, search for the control panel. Once again, you have to click on the control panel and make sure that you set into the large icons over here. And right now from here what we need to do is we just need to go over here and navigate to the network and sharing center. And right now we need to go over here and select the Wi-Fi that you have selected and go for the properties. And right now you can see we have these kind of options. And right now as you can see, we have one thing called Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6. So if it is put, if you can see, it's by default put a check on this one. You have to uncheck this and go for OK, and you have to check with the game. Check with this. Still if you're having the trouble, just click on the Wi-Fi once again over here, and that is going to bring you the Wi-Fi once again. And this time go to the properties, and this time we have to scroll down and navigate to the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4, and make sure one thing, and you have to click on this one and go to the properties, set to the use following DNS server over here. On the first one we need to give 8888, and we have to go for 884 and 4. Just go for OK, and you have to close this, and we have to check this as well. So afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, we need to move to the next one. That is all about just go over here, click on the settings, and you have to go over here, and now from here navigate to the network and internet. And from here just go over here and click over here. If you scroll down, you can see advanced network settings. And right now if you scroll down, you can see there is an option called network reset, and there is an option called network reset as well. If you click on this one, we're going to do a factory reset on a network, which means you have to connect it back with the password, and most probably after these steps is going to help you guys out. So that's what you have to try, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.